This review of Strawberry Hill Baking Company's minis includes strawberry cream cheese, apple cinnamon, and English walnut. Strawberry Hill Baking Company is located in Merriam, Kansas. The minis from Strawberry Hill Baking Company were well packed and arrived in perfect condition. The strawberry cream cheese texture seems denser than your typical cake. The primary flavor is strawberry. The cream cheese taste is there but is overwhelmed by the strawberries flavor. The cake is sweet but not overly sweet. It is a great tasting cake, especially for fans of strawberries. The apple cinnamon mini has a strong delicious aroma. The texture is dense. The main taste is the cinnamon portion of the cake. The cinnamon's taste is mildly sweet. There are apple slices but not a lot of them. The apple slices add flavor to the mini and taste great. Overall, a tasty sweet treat. The English walnut mini has a great texture and a honey-like taste. The walnuts are tender and add this flavor to the cake. The cake itself adds a nice contrast to the English walnut filling. This is another delightful treat for your taste buds. The Strawberry Hill Baking Company minis are all well-made, high-quality miniature versions of their regular-sized cakes. The only real difference is the size of the cake.